Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Today I have another fun layered card for you. This is my spooky house layered card. How fun is that scene? You have those spooky little trees on both sides, that fun haunted house there. I really love this gate and pathway at the bottom. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course there's an envelope as well. Now this one does have some intricate cuts, but don't worry, it comes together really simply. So let's go ahead and grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts 2024. If you're watching this during the event, head to the event page and find the download there. If you're watching this through the VIP Access Pass, you can find the download button below this video. If you're watching this video after the event has finished up, you can head to my shop to purchase the individual cut file at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. Or if you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, you can find out more information at thebeardedhousewife.com/WBPC2024. I have links in the description box for you to check them out. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure you download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, change those to Score underneath the Operation menu, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score lines, change them to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope as well as the card base, we can go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is layer the front cover panel together. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the red, then orange, then light purple, and then dark purple. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all set. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side for just a minute. Now we can mat and layer our messaging panel. I'll set that to the side. Now we can take our card base and fold and burnish along the score lines. Go ahead and open up the card base, and we can attach the messaging panel to the inside of the card. Go ahead and close up the card base, and we can attach the front cover panel to the front of the card. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side for just a moment. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue to the outer edge of the inlay panel. Add the inlay over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How fun is this card? I know there's a little spooky element to it, but it really is a fun Halloween project. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me, whether that be through email or through our Facebook group. I would love to see your creations. That's going to do it for me. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Witches, Bats, and Papercrafts video. Bye-bye.